Hey everyone, so for this project you will need your play buttons that will be cut by your Cricut machine. I will leave a link below to where you can find this SVG, and you'll also need some printable vinyl that will be purchased on Amazon. I have printed out my image and I'm using my Cricut to cut out the shape. If you do not have a Cricut machine, you can just cut it out with scissors, but the Cricut machine will give you a more precise cut. So now you will see that the machine will cut out the image, and then I am going to place the image on the glass as well as my play buttons, as you will see later on in the video. Now I am applying my image, and you will notice in the video I did take it off and I had to redo it because when I applied my play buttons, the transfer tape got stuck on the bottom of it and removed some of the image, so I had to reprint it and reapply it. And after this has been applied, I take my scraper tool and smooth it out. And next I will use the same scraper tool to apply the play buttons. Again, the link is in the description bar to where you can find the Google Play buttons. Well, not the Google Play buttons, I'm sorry, the music play buttons. You do want to be sure to smooth out the vinyl really well, otherwise when you go to lift up your transfer tape, you will notice that the letters will lift, so just be sure to scrape over it a few times to be sure that the letters are all sticking to the glass. And after you have applied it, you can take some rubbing alcohol to remove the fingerprints on the glass. Now that I have reapplied my image, that is it for this video, guys. It is very simple how to create this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next upload. Bye!